Hello everyone, so we're here from this one in this analyze of these games. So the title of this tournament is the American Cup Women's Edition, so it means 2025. So it means these are the winners bracket from this quarterfinals. So the score of this one is 1-all tie. So it means tie all 1-1 here from this one. So it means two games from this analyze here. So it means two games from this analyze games, and also have a international master from this USA is Alice Lee. So it means Alice Lee is 15 years old from this one. So it means kids and also teenager from this one. And also versus from this international master from this USA is Nasi Paikitsi. So it means Nasi. So it means Nasi. It's okay in the name Nasi from this one. So in this winners bracket from this quarterfinal, so it means not long game from this one, but also blitz chess. So it means blitz chess here. So it means 3 minutes and 2 seconds increment from this one. So in this part of this video here, we have analyzed here of these chess games in this winners bracket quarterfinals. So white plays Alice is d4, knight f6 Nasi, c4, e6 is called East Indian defense, and also knight f3. So it means knight f3 is called anti-Nimso Indian variation from this one. So it means these are the main line here is also knight c3 here from this one. So it means develops here, and also without develops by knight c3 here. So knight f3 move by Lee, and also h6. So it means no more by no more. So it means no more by g. So it means g5 from bishop. So it means bishop g5 is no more here by move, and also knight c3, and also bishop b4. So it means without pin, or maybe without pin by check by king. So it is develops here without connecting here by bishop, and also g3. So it means g3 without move by g2. So it means bishop g2, and also b6. So still coming continued bishop g7 here from this one, and also bishop g2. So it means what the precise move by Alice Lee. So it means these are upcoming by castle king side. So it means develops here, and also bishop b7, or maybe with a castle or castle king side by Nasi on this one, and also bishop d2, castle, castle. So it means castle here, and also d6. So it means d6 here without connecting by pass pawn here, and also a3 without threat by bishop, and bishop captured, good move, bishop takes captured, and also knight bd7 without focusing move by Nasi, and also b4. So it means without triple pawns by pass pawn by Lee. So it means these are the, it's called triple pass pawn. So triple pass pawn here. So it means triple, and also knight e4. So it means enters from this knight e4 without threat by bishop, and also bishop b2 is not found on this booklet according of this chess.com database. And also old mainline good novelty is bishop e1. So it means bishop e1 here from this one. So novelty is bishop b2, and also f5. So it means these are f5 here. So it means without defense by knights is still marked by bad move by computer. So it means that's not one computer, it is move by Nazi. So the best moves there is used by d5 here. D5. So it means d5 move here. So d5 is the best moves. So if you capture this pawn, you can also capture these pawns here. So it means without develops, or maybe without connecting this one by pawns from this one, connecting here. So back there is f5, and also rook c1. So without defense, so it means error move. So it means error. So the best moves there is knight d2 without captured by this one, without captured by knights here. So if you capture this, knight takes captured, or maybe without bishop takes here. Bishop takes captured without threat, or without threat rook, or maybe still threatening rook here. Or maybe if you capture this, knight takes rook, and also bishop takes rook, and also king takes bishop, and also queen takes knight. So it means without movement, so it means without connecting develops here. So back there is rook c1, and also queen e7. So it means queen e7 is wrong move by Nasi. So the best moves there is d5. So it means d5 again. So queen e7, queen c2, another X move by Alice Lee. So the best moves there is knight d2 again. So it means without develops here. So back there is queen c2, c5, another X move. So it means d5 are best move again. So it means best move. So c5 captured, another X again by Lee. So the best moves there is rook fd1. So without defense, it means rook fd1 here from this one. So it means rook fd1 here. So back there is capture this pawn, and also pawn takes captured, and also rook fd1. So it means it's called first rank from this developed by white pieces, and also e5, another bad move by Nasi. So the best moves there is rook fd8. So it means without movement here from this one. So it means develops, or maybe without develops here from this one. So it means connecting. So back there is e5, and also push b5. So it means without controls, or maybe without pushes by b5, and also rook a d8. So it means without pin, or maybe without pin by here by rook to rooks from this one, and also knight h4, and also queen e6. So it means queen e6 here, and go back f3. So it means another bad move by Lee. So it means these are the rain by bad move. So it means bad move. So the best moves there is f3 without threatening knight. So it means threatening here by knights here. So back there is knight f3, and also knight ef6. So it means another bad move again. So it means these are the rain's bad move. So the best moves there is knight df6. So it means knight df6. So if you capture this, rook takes captured, rook takes, and also without movement, and also without rook. So it means rook takes d8. So it means rook d8, and also h3. So it means h3, or maybe without rooks, or f3. H3, sorry. So it means h3 here. So after knight ef6, so it means, so what do you think the new fine brilliant move by I am Alice Lee? So it means so it means focusing strongest. So while waiting for couple for seconds, and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone. Is knight takes captured. Brilliant move by Lee. So it means sacrifice. So it means without develops here. And also decided is bishop takes captures from this one. For example, in accept, why don't we capture this knight takes sacrifice? So it means without here, or captured, or maybe without threat by rooks to rooks here. And also decided is rook takes captured, and also rook takes captured here, and also here this one is bishop takes knight. So it means without develops, and also bishop takes, oh sorry, so it means bishop takes, and also bishop takes captured, so it means develops. And also here is king takes, oh, say this, sorry. And also king takes captured, and also queen takes bishop. Wow. As simple as that, without develops, so it means these are examples here. So, so bishop takes g2, and also good move is knight takes captured. So it's good move by Lee. So it means without develops here. And also knight takes d7, king takes g2. So it means king takes captured bishop, and also f4, and also queen c3. So it means these are bad move by Lee. So the best moves there is e3. e3 by pawns here from this one. So queen c3 here, and also knight f6. So it means without knight f6 by Nasi, or maybe without move forward by knight e4. So it means without threat by queen. So it means these are connecting by here by develops. And also rook takes captured, rook takes, and also queen f3. So it means queen f3 here, and also knight e4. So it means knight e4, or maybe without move by knight d2. So it means without threat by queen. Oh, still connecting here by 1. And also captured, rook f8. So it means rook f8 or pin by queen. So it means without develops. And also bishop e5, queen g6 check, king h1 force move, and also king h8 force move. So it means bad move by Nazi. So the best moves there is knight g5 sacrifice. So it means, so this pawn cannot captured from this one from knight, or maybe with a danger threat by queen. So it means do not capture this one. So it means rook captured by queens here from this one. So back there is king h8 force move, and good move is rook g1. So it means good move by Lee, or threatening by queen. Develops here, and also knight g5 sacrifice, and queen d5. Queen d5 here, and also queen f5. Queen f5, or maybe without movements like this strongest, or maybe without connect, and also captured, and h5 pushes. So it means if you capture this one by pawn takes g5, without develops here. So it means without continuations. So it means continuations. So how many times time clock? So it means these are 30 seconds from Alice Lee and 10 seconds from Nasi. So dies seconds from this one, dying seconds. So h5 here, and also bishop g3, queen g6. So it means queen g6 here. So it means without backwards, and also rook d1, rook e8 without threat by e2 pawn, and also queen d3 without defense, and also queen e6. So it means without double, or double by queen and rook, or threat by e2. So it means without develops here. And also queen f3, queen g6, rook d6 without threatening by queen, queen b1 check, and also king g2, h4 threatening, sacrifice. Sacrifice by h4 without blocks, or sacrifice by Nasi, and also bishop takes h4, king g8, and also g6 without move by strongest move by Alice Lee, and also rook f8 by Nasi threatening by queen, and also queen d5 check, and also king h8, and also the last shot is move is queen h5 check. So it means resigned by I am Nasi. So why she resigns? Because if you move by king g8 only move, and also queen h7 mating net. So it is mating net on this one. So the winner is one is Alice Lee. So the score is 2-1. So 2-1 all. So it means two points Alice and 1 point from Nazis from this one. So the last game, so quarterfinal, so it's change white. So what do you think? Exchange white from this one. So let's see. So they exchange this one from this white and black. So the white pieces is International Master Nasi Pakidsi, and black pieces from this International Master Alice Lee from this one. So these are the last this this winners bracket from this quarterfinal. So it means last game in this part of this video we have analyzed of these chess games in this American Cup Women's Edition. So white plays Nasi is e4, c5 Lee Sicilian defense, knight f3, knight c6 old Sicilian variation, and also bishop b5 is called Rosolimo variation from this one, Rosolimo. So these are the main line here is also is d4. So if you capture this one, knight takes, and also knight takes captured, and queen takes knight. So it means without develops here from this one. So it means without develops from this white and blacks here from this one. So Nasi move is bishop b5 or threatening by knights here, and also e6. So it means e6 here. Bishop takes knight, pawn takes bishop, and also b3. So it means without move by bishop b2. So it's still controlled by Nasi on this one, and also f6, and also bishop b2. So it means without good precise move by Nasi, and also knight e7. So it means these are novelty by black family. So the good novelty is old mainline is knight h6. So it means knight h6 here from this one. So novelty is knight e7, castle kingside by Nasi, and also knight g6. So it means these are move here, and also d4. So it means d4 is bad move by Nasi. So it means the best moves there is rook e1. So it means rook e1 here by develops here from this one. So d4 by Nasi, and also captured knight takes d4. So it means without controlling here. So it means without develops by connecting here, and also queen c7, and also c4. So it means without good precise here by Nasi, and also a6 without you need to focusing here by Alice Lee, and a6 here her move here, and also knight c3, c5 without push. So it means without pushes by Lee, or threatening by knights by Nasi on this one, and also knight f3, bishop b7, and also move by castle king queen side. Oh, castle queen side. So it means without castle queen side here, and also rook e1, and also bishop d6. So it means without movement by Alice Lee, and also g3, castle king side here. Oh, so it means what do you think if you move by castle queen side? So it means without the develops here. Oh, so it means castle queen side here. So Lee is moved by castle kingside by Alice Lee, and also queen e2, another bad move by Nasi. So the best moves there is queen d2. So it is queen d2 by develops here by Nasi from this one. So queen e2 by move, and also knight e5 ready from this captured. So it means wrong move by Lee. So the best moves there is rook AE8. So it means without gold 8th rank. So it means 8th rank here. So back there is knight e5, and also captured, bishop takes knight, and also knight d1. So it means without knight d1, or maybe with a move here. So it means without develops here. And also bishop takes captured, another bad move by Lee. So it means bad move by computer. So the best moves there is rook a e8 again. So it means rook a e8 again. So it means without movement second times here. So it means rook a e8 again by movement. So bishop takes b2, and also knight takes bishop f5. So it means without strongest move by Alice Lee, and also good move f3, good move by Nasi. So it means without thinking from this development, and also captured queen e5. So it means without strongest move by Alice Lee, and also rook a d1 without first rank. So it means without first rank by Nasi, and also rook f7. So it means without rook f7 by Alice Lee, or without decided by here by rook a f8. So it means without develops. And also knight d3. So it means knight d3, or maybe without threatening by queen. So it means without move by knight d3 by Nasi, and also queen d4 check. So it means without check. So it's still bad move by Alice Lee. So the best moves there is queen backwards c7. So it means without backwards here. So back there is queen d4 check, and also knight f2 without defense. So it means wrong again by Nasi. So the best moves there is king g2. So it means king g2 here by movement by Nasi. So it means without controlling, without develops. So back there is knight f2, and also queen e5 without go back, and also knight g4 with a threat by queen. So it means without develops here, and also queen g5. So it means without move. So it means without movement or focusing by Alice Lee, and also h4 with a threat by queen backwards g6. So it means without strongest, or maybe without develops here, and also rook d3, and good move is d6. So it means without controlling, focusing. So it means without good move by precise move by Alice Lee, and also king h2. So it's still another bad move again by Nasi. So the best moves there is king g2. So it means king g2 are best moves by this one, and also king h2, and also e5. So it means wrong again, x move. So the best moves there is battery is rook a f8 battery. So battery here from this one. So e5 here, and also rook e d1. So still another bad move. So why move rook e d1? So it means these are question mark. So the one's computer here is still is knight f2 here. So still knight f2 without develops here. So back there's rook e d1, and also good move is h5. So it means without good precise move by Alice Lee, or threatening by knights, and this development. And also knight f2, and also another good move rook a f8 battery, good move, or still another good move precise by Alice Lee, or still focusing here by movement, and also knight h3. So it means without knight h3, or cannot move here, or maybe without still move here. So it's still move by pawns here, and also bishop takes captured. So it's still captured by Lee, or maybe with a decide strat by rook. So how many times? 1 minute by Nasi, and 41 seconds by D. Still without move by Blitz chess for this one. So bishop. So bishop captured e4, threat by rook, and also rook takes d6. So it means without focusing, move by Nasi, but still threat by here by queen, or maybe pawns, or pawns without double. So it means double. And another good move again is queen g4. So it means without queen, and without decided queen to queen. Queen to queens here from this one, and also rook 1d2. Blunderations. Oh, Blunder ratios by Nasi. Oh, so still double question mark. So, so the best moves there is queen takes captured. So it means if you capture this pawn or threatening knight, and also decided is knight g5. Oh, oh, double. So it means without double. So it means without double. Oh, still double here. So if you move here, so if you decided here, and so maybe if you rook, so it means rook here, so it means develops. So never mind. So it means cannot. So it means cannot move here. So back there is rook 1 d2 blunder ratios. Shouting again. So it means blunder ratios. And also decided is rook f1. So it means without focusing, move by Lee. So it means without develops. And also rook, oh, knight g1, sorry. So it means knight g1. So sorry, I got wrong focus here. So it means knight g1. So after knight g1, so what do you think the last shot from this winner's bracket? So it means resign by white pieces. So proceed from this semifinals. So while waiting for a couple for seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. The last shot is one is rook takes knight sacrifice. So it means the resign from International Master Nasi Pakitsi. So why she resigns? Because, for example, if your king takes captured, only move, and also queen takes check. So if it's queen takes check, so it's decided if you move by defense queen to queens here, and decided is bishop takes queen. Oh, bishop takes queens from this one. So if you move by here is a4 and also rook takes f1 mating net. So lose by white. So the score from this one is this one. So the score Alice Lee is 3 points and Nasi 1 point. So Alice Lee is proceed from the semifinals from this American Cup Women's Edition. So it means congratulations from this International Master Alice Lee. So I hope that this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luwagi 17, aka Icoolmark 17. So have a good day and keep update of this chess analyze of this game. So good night.